Hello dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and doing well. Today I am here with a new topic, binary addition on our YouTube channel all about maths. So dear friends, in this video lecture I am going to teach you what is binary numbers. If you are watching this lecture, I know you will already know what is binary digits, but I am going to elaborate it a little bit and also addition of these. Okay, so what is binary? A binary is a language having only two letters, that is 0 and 1. 0 is used for off and 1 is used for on. So this is a simple and little elaboration of this, that what is binary number. Okay, so dear friends, now we are going to add two binary digits. Let's suppose we have a binary digit 0 0 1 0. So this is the binary of 2. First of all, let me draw over here a table on this side. 8 4 2 1. This is the powers, and if you are 0 1 0 0, as you can see, this is the binary of 2. So this is the binary of 2, and let's take another value. Let's suppose we are taking 4. So 0 1 0 0, this will be the binary of 4. So 0 1 0 0, this is 2 and this is 4, it will be 6. Now adding 0 0 will be equal to 0, 1 0 will be 1, 1 0 will be 1, and 0 0 will be 0. So we get the addition of these two. So let us see over here. Here is 0 1 1 0. So add up this, it is equal to 6. So the addition is right. Now let's take a complex one. So let me take an example of adding 6 and 4. Yes, let me take adding 6 and let me add 6 and 7. So we have the code of 6 0 1 1 0, and the 7 will be 0 1 1 1. This is the code of 7. So 0 1 1 1, this is the code of 7. So this is 6 and this is, so this is 7, this is 6, the sum will be 13. So now adding this, let's see that we are getting the answer or not. So here, as you can see, 0 and 1 when added is equal to 1. And now when 1 and 1 is added in binary addition, so we get 2, and 2 is like this, but we will take this, convert this 2 into the binary, and that is 1 0. So we will write the right term, and we will borrow this, we will carry this left to the next value. So this is 0 and we will write it over here, this is 1, right? Now adding this, what we are getting, 1 1 1, this is 3. So what is the this is 3, right? Now adding these again, what we will get, 3. What is the binary of 3? 1 1, right? So we will write here 1 and 1 will be shifted over here. So now this will be 0 0 and plus 1, this is equal to 1. So now convert this binary into the decimal. So we have like this, as you can see, this is 1, 1 is on, this is 2, this is off over here, this is 4, this is on, and this is on. When we add 8 4 and 1, we will get 13. So it means this addition that we have performed is good. I am giving you an example and you must need to solve and write the answer in comment box. So this is your homework. 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1 1. This is 13 and this is 15, right? So you have to add this and you will get the answer 28, right? You will get the answer 28. You have to just comment down what we will get this, then I will reply and I will pin that comment in my comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon because you will never miss the notification of our new video. Thank you so much for watching.